I built a real website in under 1 minute using AI, and it required no coding. This is Google AI Studio. And this time, instead of an app, which we made in a previous video, I'm going to use it to create a full website. All I'm going to do is describe what I want. For example, let's create a professional website for a small AI consulting business with services and contact sections. That's the entire prompt. I'm just explaining the idea in plain English. And we'll use Gemini 3 Pro, the most powerful model, to handle everything. Now we can click Build and start the timer. Watch this. It's generating the entire website structure in real time, the layout, the sections, the copy, and the overall flow. This is normally the slowest part of building a website. This is where you'd be choosing templates, designing pages, writing headlines, structuring sections, and second-guessing everything. I'm not doing any of that. I'm not writing copy, designing layouts, or setting up pages. I described what I wanted in one sentence, and it's making all the decisions for me. This is the kind of work that usually takes hours, sometimes days, especially if you're not a designer or developer. And right now, it's just happening. No setup, no tools, no back and forth. If this already feels surprising, subscribe. I'll be showing more tips and hacks in my next video, because this isn't a template. It's not pulling from a preset. It's actually deciding how the site should look, how it should flow, and how the information should be presented. And there it is. In under a minute, we have a real website. Let's open it in full screen. This already looks like a legitimate business site. You've got a clear headline, a services section, a contact section, and professional copy, which can be updated as needed. And we can still make any further changes we want. For example, let's say I want to change the hero picture. Instead of editing any files manually, I'll just tell the AI what I want by simply describing it. And just like that, the site updates. And remember, this entire site was built with one prompt in under a minute, which is incredible. If this surprised you, subscribe. You don't want to miss the next video. See you then.